My people of Lira City.
One love for our minister,
the only MP in Lira.
It's been 4.5 years since you sent me to Parliament. I want to thank you for holding my hands and for walking this journey together. We have been able to empower our women with grants and loans. We have refurbished our health facilities together from the lowest level to the highest level. We have addressed the aspects of WASH by drilling over 40 boreholes and empowering you with the containers you need to make WASH possible. We have refurbished our schools and empowered our people of agriculture with handmade tractors. This is not easy. There have been challenges, but together we have done it. I appeal to you now. We need to protect the gains. Let's hold hands together and walk another journey. This is the beginning. I call you to come with me.